842, Bombs for Josh 142. Top level constant macros, program modes. These are all fucking monkey wrench macros because we already have a constant for this. It's called Eddy Game Eddy and Eddy Game Game. Let's move on. In const macros by system, within Bomb Simp, we didn't make any changes. I typed in the wrong place. In Bomb Moth, we have two constants for whether or not we're using the simple simulation code or the hard simulation code. In data by system, within Bomb Base, we made a fucking bug, and this bug has been fixed. This was next row, and it needed to be next row underscore 04R. Within Bomb Moth, we have data, Bomb Moth system, simulation mode. The default simulation mode will be the simple simulation mode on startup. Within Bomb Hard, we have stubbed in the ticker function for Bomb Hard. There's nothing here yet. Within Bomb Simp, we have stubbed in the ticker function for Bomb Simp. There is nothing here yet. Bomb Moth, which is a router function to the simple or hard simulation code, this is finished, right? So Bomb Moth tick, we have shorthand references to the Bomb Simp and Bomb Hard enumerations. And then down here, if we are in simple mode, we use Bomb Simp tick. If we're in hard mode, we use Bomb Hard tick. And otherwise, we'll throw an error because we have an invalid enumeration. So this is the simple simulation and the harder to do simulation that uses power of two tiles, right? This is not a difficulty mode. This is the simulation a complex simulation, simple simulation. What we did previously, and then footnotes, and what we did in the video, and then we got to get out of here. You've been here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. Tech demos are here. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO using GoldenEye 007 style proximity mines with directional blasts. If you want to see how to make a game engine, like and subscribe. I am open sourcing this engine, and I am documenting every single goddamn line of code. So if you want to see where this project is going, or you want to write your own game engine, like, subscribe, and follow. My name is Kanji Coder.